What's up, y'all? Welcome to Are You Alkaline Today? I am Mikael, and thank you all for subscribing to the channel. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, give it a thumbs up because it's going to be a really good video. Today we're going to do a SeaMoss avocado and pineapple smoothie. Alright? Let's get into it. That on out of here. Drop that in there. We're gonna add some BioMineral Plus water inside of our smoothie just to kind of break it down a little bit, and then we're gonna add some SeaMoss into there as well. Okay. I mean, this is straight pineapple smoothie. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So now we're going to add a little bit of SeaMoss. Now, if you want to know how I made my SeaMoss, it's very simple. You can click the link up here in the corner right here, and you can watch the video on how we actually went through the full process of making the SeaMoss gel. And this is not like 100% gelled. I made it a little soft just so that we can use it, my wife can use it to apply as a mask on her face. And so we use it in so many different ways. We're gonna use this actually in an upcoming soup recipe, okay? And this is it right here. This is the fake SeaMoss that you guys leave comments about. This is the fake SeaMoss that we're getting ready to use and get real healthy on. How about that? Maybe not even a couple, we're gonna add a few. All right, we're just gonna get it in like that. All right, a little SeaMoss. Next, we're gonna add, and this is some really good vitamin C, all natural vitamin C. It comes from the Camu. It has the Amla fruit in here, and then it comes from the Acerola berry. All right, you can't get no better vitamin C than that, because most of the vitamin C that you're buying from out of the store is corn-based. This is all berry-based, fruit-based vitamin C. We're not buying any of that corn-based vitamin C. So if you go into the store and buy that off the shelf, make sure that it's 100% berry vitamin C. If not, it's corn. We don't trust COVID. We know COVID is still lurking out here. And we're gonna protect our bodies. We're gonna increase and boost our immune systems by adding extra vitamin C. Matter of fact, I'm gonna add some zinc. All right, lemon. We're gonna add a little bit of chlorophyll to this. Now, if you want some BioMineral Plus water, which is the only water you're gonna find that's naturally spring water, you can go to our website, biomineralpluswater.com, and you can place an order there. Now, this water is only, get this, it's only for people who are living in the Atlanta area. We are not shipping water at this time, okay? But you can place an order. If you're living in this area, you can place an order within 24 to 48 hours. It's at your door. Believe that. Oh yeah. Are you alkaline today?